Hello guys, how are you doing guys? This is Master. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys forex, how to trade those for beginners. So here the problem, many people they enter in forex without more understanding, without understanding. So the first thing that you need to understand in forex is the candle. So what I'm going to do, today's video is going to be based on the theory. We're going to be speaking about the theory. Then there will be a time whereby I'm going to go and show you exactly when I'm trading in my software, because I'm using IC Market. That's my broker. So the first thing I'm going to tell you, if you want to start trading, you must have a broker. You must get your broker. The broker is where you're going to put your money and where you trust it, where you trust that broker. You can deposit. I start trading with $50. Then now my account is on 200 and something, but I will tell you why it's on 222. But I'm hoping that in this week it's on $222. But I'm hoping that in this week at the end it will be on my aim is to make it to the $350. Then after that I'm going to double, because I'm using a lot size. I'm going to teach what is a lot size. I'm taking a very lowest risk of 0.01. This is the lowest one, 0.01. So let's get to the business of the day. So what happens when you start trading? You must know about the candles. You must know the definition of what is a candle. So a candle, you see it, everybody always see it when they see a candles. Let me draw it here. This is a candle. When everyone see a candle like this, they just know, okay, this is forex. But what exactly is happening? So which means when let's say this one was on the buy side, I'm going to start with a buy side. So this is a candle. I normally use blue for the buy side. So this is a candle, it's on a buy side. After that, this candle, it's like this. So what happens here, you can see that, okay, if you have entered starting here, if up to here you stop, you're going to have made a profit. But what exactly does this candle represent? Exactly this, what does it represent? So what it represents is that this candle, it start opening here. So when it start opening there, it start opening this side here, it start opening here. So when it start opening here, it goes down. It was on the sellers, we're gonna call them sellers. The sellers were stronger. The seller, okay, let me just redraw it properly again. I hope you can see it like that. So now this candle, this is started here. This is a starting point. So in this starting point, it goes down and go down and go down. This was representing the seller in the market, the seller. So the seller were pushing the market down. Then when they push the market down, the buyers now, they come. This one is for seller, and then the buyer come now. Then the buyers come, they push the market up. Then when they start pushing up, that one here it get created. They were pushing the market up, they push the market up until this level here. But the seller now come back a little bit and push, but they were not strong enough to push it back up to this point or proceed. Then they just push it, this pushing up to that pushing. This is at the seller now. They push it up to that pushing. So now when you have this, when they push it up like that at that pushing, so now you can see that based on this candle, there's people who are strong. They are the buyers. The buyers are taking over. So what will happen? So if you understand, when you see a candle, I'm gonna represent it in blue. This one is for the seller. This candle start here, then it goes up, and after that, this one was for buyers. We'll call it, it's gonna be for buyers. Then now we come, this candle, it goes up, né? After it goes up like that. So this one here, we're going to represent as for, is for sellers, this one. So what happens, this candle started here, it started there, started here. When it started here, it goes up. The buyers were trying to push the market up. These are buyers, this side here, buyers, yeah. The buyers are starting to push the market up, but the seller, they come, they push this market up, they push until here, until this side. This is a seller now. So but the buyers come back, they were trying to push it until this level here. They tried to push it, but they couldn't push it enough. They were not very strong. This is the buyers trying to push the market up. This is the buyers. So you can see that, okay, the buyers, they are trying to push the market, but they couldn't defeat the sellers. So that's why it ended here. Maybe you can be dealing that one, we're going to talk about it. So when you understand about this process that I've been talking about now, we can say, okay, now you understand about this process, let's go to another chapter. The other chapter that we're going to deal with is a time frame. We're going to deal with time frame. I'm gonna mention all the time frame we have. We have 1 minute, you have 5 minutes, you have 15 minutes, you have 30 minutes, you have 1 hour, you have 4 hours, you have 1 day, you have 1 week, you have a month. So in this time frame, when you open your chart, all of them, they will be having its own candle. So I'm going to give you an example. If I come to in 1 hour, I find candles like this. These are the candles. So what is the meaning of that? If I'm on 1 hour, it means that this candle, it was formed after an hour. It takes an hour to form this candle, which means it takes an hour, takes an hour to form this candle. It takes an hour to form that candle. So if you go to 15 minutes, you find the candles, maybe they are like this. I'm just gonna give you an example of a 2 candle. So for this candle to be formed, it takes it 15 minutes each, which means for a 2 candles to be formed, it takes them 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So now when you understand, if you go to a 1 day, you will find a candle like that also be there. So this represents that in 1 day, this candle to be formed, it takes 1 day. So you must know that, okay, what kind of trader are you? Are you a short trader? Are you a long-term trader? But based on your account, if you have an account of 10, let's say $20, obviously speaking, you will go for a short trade, because you will go for a short trade. you will go for a short trade, because you can't go for a long trade, because you lose your money. You're gonna lose your $20. Then after that you're gonna put money back. So now when you understand that, okay, so I'm gonna be sending the videos for about this. I'm going to be using the computer, not the writing down. This one was just for a beginner. So if you'd like to learn more about with me, I'm gonna show you how I'm working with my account. Then just like, subscribe to this channel and share. Okay, my pen is not working properly today. Subscribe to this channel and share. So more videos are gonna be coming based on the forex, how to do it, and we're going to do it practical. Thank you guys, bye.